How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can turn off professional mode on your Facebook account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to turn off your Facebook professional mode, these are the methods you may follow in order to do so. Launch your Facebook application. After you are done launching a Facebook application, simply log in into the account that you have professional mode on, and from where you want to turn off the professional mode. So after you have successfully logged in, you'll be able to see the home page of the Facebook. You're just gonna head over to your profile at the upper right corner. After going there, you'll be able to find your profile name. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be able to see that you have a professional dashboard, which means you have a professional account. And in order to turn it off, just tap on the three dot below the professional dashboard, and at the side of the advertise section, just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you'll be able to find a bunch of options here. You're just gonna look up for the option called turn off professional mode, which is available at the third last option. Just click on it and tap on continue. After that, confirm it, and your professional mode will be turned off into your account. So you just need to go back to your account and refresh your page. After that, your professional account should be removed. So therefore, or you may also follow the same process in order to turn off your professional mode on your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.